our time, I suppose. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
we are headed for a small valedictory. Okay, a very small valedictory. Are you able to see me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, and I suppose you are also able to see the background, the board.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. So we are headed for a small valedictory. It won't take much time. And then we would proceed with our testing. Okay. Test will be conducted maybe at around 1:30 or so. Okay. So the IT team is busy uploading the question paper. Okay. So we expect you to do well in your written examination over there. In the meantime, may I request you people to switch on your camera just for a few minutes so that we can capture your photographs. That is all we want. So just maybe for a few minutes. Good to see your faces. Okay, okay, and somebody calling me. So in the meantime, maybe you can. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Good to see you all. I mean, your faces, though virtually, but looks very real. Okay, so yeah, so might be our IT people might be taking the screenshots. Okay, so thank you for switching on your cameras. Okay, and once they are done, we will ask you to, even if you wish, you can continue to be there, on the video, and if not, you can switch it off. Okay, so we don't have any objections over there. Okay, so just hang on for a while. Okay, just hang on for a while before we get started.
Yeah, yeah. You can see me now in the video also. You can see. Yeah, sure. Right.
Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah. Janaki, the Dean. Yeah, sir, you're there? Okay, good. Good to see you, sir.
Yes, Professor, I'm there, sir. I'm there.
Okay, good. So participants, we are ready with the valedictory. Okay. I would say, how do I begin? I don't know. How do I begin? That those were 5 fantastic days. Okay, this was one of my finest experiences. You know, to hear so many faculty colleagues of mine and delivering. Okay, it's not a coincidence, and as I understand, also it's not very usual for getting enlightened teachers to speak to. Train to trainers is not a very usual phenomenon, as I understand. Train to trainers is a once in a time opportunity, which some of our teachers await to somewhere validate that what we do in our classes, okay, is the right thing that we are doing. So more than anything else, it's not about teaching and learning. I don't think we did anything great in those 5 days and in those 14 sessions. Okay. But what we try to do somewhere is to relate and figure out that whatever we are doing, is it relevant or not? And if it is relevant, okay, is there something that we can do to take extra to our classrooms? Okay, so as I understand, those 5 days was a nice interactive session where I suppose each one of us from IMT also learned from you people. That's how you go ahead with your classes, what are the tools that you use. Okay, so overall, it has been a fine learning experience, I suppose, not just for you, for us as well. Okay, and as I said before, it's not a mere coincidence that we got an opportunity to address some of the finest minds in our same fraternity. Okay, so having said that, let me once again thank AICTE, the Atal AICTE, for giving not just us the opportunity, but 500 other institutions, to deliver such FDPs. Okay, it's a nice initiative by Government of India, I should say. We have been lagging behind in education for ages now, and we continue to lag behind a few Western countries. Okay, it's a very sad part that we are not there in the past in the top 100 institutions. At least in the QS ranking. Okay, the first ranked institution from India is only in the 300s. Again, there are just 3 to 4 institutions in the top 500. So maybe this is a baby step, to somewhere put the Indian educational institutions on the map of global education. Okay, so maybe it's just a baby step, I should say. Okay, so I hope there have been quite a few takeaways from those 5 days and 14 sessions. Let me thank each one of my faculty colleagues within IMT and outside the IMT. Okay, each one of them, Dr. Rajiv, who stays in Ahmedabad, who currently is teaching in IIT Gandhinagar and teaching in IIM Rohtak, took some time out on our request to deliver a session. Dr. Panda, who gave the concluding session today, teaches at IIT Bhubaneswar. She honored our request to deliver a session. Similarly, Abhishek Narayan Singh, who teaches in IIT Jodhpur, honored our invitation and delivered a session on using ICT in classroom. So all in all, and let me thank all my faculty colleagues, but I would also be short of my duty if I do not thank to some of my support staff, particularly Isha. Okay, Isha is the one who has been coordinating, okay, who has been relentlessly working towards making this program a success. Okay, she is the one who has been attending to our WhatsApp calls and WhatsApp messages. She is active on mails. Okay, because I'm not on WhatsApp. I'm not on any of the social networking sites. So, in a way, I live in a stone age. Okay, you can curse me. But then let me thank Isha for coordinating all through. Okay, and let me thank Manoj and let me thank Naushad, for giving all that IT help and support. I have Sridhar Rao, who also happens to be the director's assistant, but a thorough IT expert. Even he rendered his services whenever asked. Okay, so let me thank the entire set of people at IIT Nagpur for coordinating this entire exercise. Okay, so now I would request and I would invite Dr. P. Janaki Ramadu, who addressed the inaugural that was organized by AICT, to please address the participants, okay, on this occasion of concluding the 5-day FTP. So please, over to you, sir, Dr. Ramadu. Over to you.
Thank you, Professor Mohanty. Hope I am audible to every one of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
Yes. Thank you, Professor Mohanty, for having given this opportunity to say a few words to you and the rest of the participants. I have been tracking as to how the program has been going on, and I've been receiving the feedback from some of the participants whom I know. And I learned that the sessions were greatly value adding. I am very sure every one of you must have enjoyed the sessions and must have taken away the the best out of these 5 days program. Just to speak in continuation of the thoughts that I shared during inaugural function, the institutional building is not simply about investing and establishing infrastructural facilities, including the technology for that matter. Though we highly rely on technology, there can never ever be replacement or the substitute for the human brain. That is simply impossible, means that is simply impossible. No doubt COVID-19 has posed serious challenges to us, but you see the human brain has never become inactive. In fact, human brain has beaten COVID-19 for that matter. So this is one quintessential as to what the human brain is. It can kill any virus for that matter. It has never stopped us from sharing the thoughts, sharing the ideas, right? And doing some innovative things as such, coming out with innovative things as such. So friends, my dear, here, I have the pleasure in informing you that, as Professor Mohanty said, IIT Nagpur has got the finest minds in the world, to be very honest, not only in India, across the globe, as far as professors are concerned. If you get a time, I request you to browse through the profiles of each and every faculty at IIT Nagpur. As I've been mentioning, we are very proud of the faculty that we have particularly excellent blend of industry and academia experience. So that is what it means. Yes, no doubt. Like the most important task of any teacher, as Professor Mohanty said, is training the trainers is a very challenging task. But nevertheless, the most important task of any trainer is primarily to generate the knowledge. That is the creation of the knowledge. And one reason why probably we are not appearing in top 100 QS or FT ranked B schools or universities, barring a few like top 2 or 3 IIMs, one reason could be the lack of research. There is the quality research that we are lacking in the country for that matter. That's what I meant by the research output or the creation of the knowledge. So I'm sure you will all take it in very positive way to do some research and establish or create some knowledge and spread, across the young generation. That's one thing. And second thing, sir, like we have one important concept of faculty members being partners of the institutional building. Like once we become a family member of IMT group, we all partner the institutional building. Our job doesn't simply end up by teaching and doing research. Rather, we take that to our heart. In the sense, we make our best to build the institution. That's what we mean by, like partnering the institution. I'm proud of my faculty, my colleagues at IMT Nagpur, that everyone is accomplished in his or her own domain, and everyone has excellent bent of mind to contribute to the growth and development of the institution. Now that in a way you have become one of the family members of IMT, and I have the pleasure in inviting you to the family of IMT. Let us not end up this relation now. Like we should take it ahead in the sense, you are most welcome to interact with our professors in the times to come for any kind of collaboration. Another important thing is the collaborative work, collaborative research, collaborative teaching. Say, for example, isolation has, like gone away now. That is gone are the days wherein we could talk about doing the things in isolation. Today, even the research, teaching, consulting, anything for that matter, it is a collaborative work that we have to do. Without taking much of your time, Professor Mohanty has just given me 2 minutes time. So I thought I would just share some of my thoughts as to what I have in my mind about this FDP. And congratulations to you for having attended this program. And my heartfelt thanks to Ministry of Education and AICTE, particularly Professor Punia, for having supported us in and recognized our institution to offer this program, Atal program, and we hope to continue to do the best in future. This is one of the better. We are determined to do the best in future. So congratulations to you and all the best. Let's stay in touch. Professor Mohanty, thank you very much for having given this opportunity, sir. And I have not exceeded the time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. You have been brief but very powerful in your words and also in your thoughts, though very brief. Okay, now I would invite participants if they have any observations to make on the past 5 days of FDP. If any of the participants would like to speak, yeah. The floor is open now to the participants to give their remarks. If they have any the areas where we could have improved. Okay, let me tell you very candidly, we would have been a better host if you had been there on the campus. That is how it was planned when the invitations were invited. When the applications were invited, that was the whole plan, that we get you on the campus. Okay, we host you. We would have been a much better host. Let me tell you, we have fantastic. We have a fantastic hostel, a wonderful campus. We would have done. We could have put up a much better show and we would have extended excellent hospitality. But anyways, since that couldn't happen, okay, whatever little we could do, we have done. So now up to you that how do you and what do you take away from those 5 days? So any remarks, any observations, any review, any feedback on what happened in the last 5 days? Yeah.
Sir. Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Dr. Chintan, is it Dr. Chintan?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah, myself, Dr. Chintan Vora, sir. I have attended one more workshop or FDP from this same portal, ATAL. But in comparison to that, I find that this is, the selection of resource person, selection of topic which selected in this particular faculty development program, that is a kind of need of an hour, and genuinely it helps me a lot in sharpening my skills up to a certain extent. And I'm sure that through this FDP, whatever I have gained, that will be I'll share with my students, and that will be very much helpful to me in my further teaching activities. So I'm really thankful to all the organizing committee and all the people who are directly or indirectly involved in this FDP and making this a huge success. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone else? Please go ahead. Unmute yourself. and speak.
Good afternoon, all. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah, you're loud and clear.
Yeah. Yes. Good afternoon, all. Actually, this was a really wonderful experience because we have attended a couple of FDPs. As Sir already said, that the resource persons were excellent. The inputs were very practical, and it was a very interactive session. As Sir, you said that if we would have been there, it would have really been wonderful. But over here also, we really felt that it was an excellent FDP, very well organized. Thank you to the entire teams, and thank you for all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for that nice acknowledgement. Thank you. Yeah. Somebody else.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Doctor. Good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. Atul. Yeah, it was it was very wonderful experience for me. I am very lucky that you introduced such a experience and qualified faculties to us in this FDP. Earlier, I attended IIM Kozhikode's FDP also, and comparatively, I found that this FDP is much better and more focused on the outcomes which is to be needed in such type of FDPs. Another thing is that which I notice that all the technical staffs which are supporting you people, and they are always on time, and everything was perfect. It was perfectly managed by a management institute which is to be needed, and no excuses for all the things which I must congratulate all the IMT faculties, staff. And another thing is which I noticed that more simulation activities should be there, but I can understand that there is a time restrictions and we have to finish in 5 days. I like Smita ma'am's lecture, even Ikirala sir, Abhishek sir, who gives us much innovative inputs in the ICT, and even today's session was perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Atul. Yeah.
This is Dr. Ujjwal Mishra. I just like to congratulate all the support team who has just finished the work really on time. All the sessions are very interactive, and on the most important part is whatever the schedule is there, on that basis the objectives are decided and that has been achieved. So that is the best part, that whatever the organization has been done from your side is really a great job from your side, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Jyoti Jakhete. So it was indeed a great online learning experience, I must say. And it was organized very effectively, especially thanks to the coordinator, Mohanty sir, because it was not like that only the guest session was going on. Mohanty sir was always there to come and, to give us again the summary of what was going on. So it was like connecting all the sessions together. And at the end, we are really enriched now.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Jyoti. Yeah, for that acknowledgement. Yeah, thank you. Anyone else?
Yeah, hello, sir. Hello, sir. I'm Anuradha Gaikwad, and I congratulate you for such a wonderful session that you've had. I agree with all that all my fellow participants have said before I spoke. I have a suggestion, sir. It would be wonderful if you could organize a specified focused workshop on case study writing or simulation, so that we could get more insights into it, because the case study we felt we could have interacted much more with sir and we could have got much more from him. But I can understand your time limitations and all those considerations, but it was a wonderful experience, and I would really love to participate in any other such endeavors which you conduct in future. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, Dr. Anuradha, that is noted. Let me tell you, in next 365 days, we will definitely organize one such on-campus program. Only
Definitely,
if COVID allows us.
Yes, I agree. Okay. Everything is dependent on COVID.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Anyone else?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. This is Manjula Tulipala. First of all, thank you, sir, for treating us as a part of IMT now. As Ramdu sir said, really all the guest speakers are finest minds. Quality is very high. That was awesome sessions. All are awesome sessions. I have learned a lot from this FDP. Hope I can implement all the new techniques which I have learned in this FDP. Thanks to the entire team, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Manjula, for those encouraging words. Thank you so much. Anyone else?
Yes, I would like to speak. I'm Dr. Uma. And yes, this has been a great 5-day of learning. Things that we were doing, but the kind of inputs that we got has really helped us to bring in more innovation into our teaching methods. And in fact, on a daily basis, whatever I have learned, I have been sharing with my colleagues as well in the last few days. And that I think, there's a lot of appreciation for the kind of things that I've shared with them. Thank you so much for this FDP. And also I thank all the fellow participants for sharing their practices, how they have been doing. That has also been a learning, enriching experience. Thank you so much.
True indeed. True indeed. Yeah. Your learning, I think, is more effective than the teacher taught learning. Yeah, very true. Well said, Dr. Uma. Well said. Yeah. Anybody else?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, I myself, Dr. Senapati from Silicon Valley Technology.
Okay, Dr. Senapati, please go ahead. Yeah, please.
Sir, many thanks for such a nice faculty development program organized by you and your all team members. So all the sessions are very fine, and whatever I have learned, I will try to implement during my teaching process. So hope when you will organize in campus FDP, we will try to join there. Sir.
Oh,
so
sure. Most welcome. Most welcome.
Yes,
yeah, Dr. Senapati. Most welcome. Yeah. Anyone else?
Yeah, I would like to speak here. Due to this pandemic thing, post-pandemic, it has induced all our faculty members that they must, make some changes in their teaching pedagogy. So the content of this FDP was very relatable, and it was the most effective one in terms of how we can use the different and the new versions of teaching and how we can inculcate those in our teaching pedagogy. So taking a lot of things as a takeaway from this FDP, and special thanks to mention to Isha ma'am for her patience. We were, bothering her a lot on the WhatsApp group with many other things. So special thanks to you, ma'am, and of course the team. It was great job. Kudos to you all.
Thank you. Thank you for those kind words. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let us conclude this FDP. Okay. Let's close this event. We hope that we get to see each other soon, if possible, on campus. Okay. We'll try to design a few programs with special focus on pedagogical tools, be it the movies or using videos or ICT or purely on case and simulations. We'll try and organize something for you people, and we will send across this information to you. So thank you for being so cooperative and so participative. So let's close this event. So now in next 5 minutes, maybe next 5 to 7 minutes, we will instruct you to attend your tests on Moodle. I suppose you all are ready for it. Okay. In case you have any problems, you can call me or Isha to fix your Moodle issues. Okay, you can call me or Isha to fix your Moodle issues in case you are confronting any issues over there. Okay, so let's close and
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.